Hello everyone, how you all doing? So in today's video we are going to talk about the iOS 14.5 beta 8 when it is going to get released, the official version, and iPhone 7. Should you install the beta 8 on your iPhone 7 or not, because it is still 1 week is left for the Apple event. And here are some dope wallpapers though. If you want them, you can click the link of the Google Photos down below and you can download them. And by the way, the wallpapers are by this guy on Twitter, so you can check him out if you want to. Then if we are going to talk about the iPhone 7 on this firmware, iPhone 7 on iOS 14.5 beta 8, let's go into a general about section and build number. So the build number is 18E5199A. So an A at the end of the build number, it indicates that we are really close to the official release. I mean, come on, it's been 2-3 updates with an A in the ending, so we are obviously really close to the update. And then talking about the storage, before updating I had around 14 gigabytes, and after updating I got almost 1.5 gigabytes back. So that's pretty good. If you are on iPhone 7 and you want to get some storage back, you can update to this firmware and get some storage back. And now talking about the normal performance and stability, this device feels really stable and the performance also feels really slick and really quick. This device feels really responsive, but the thing is that battery issues, we have been getting it on the iPhone 7 for a while now. And if I'll go here in the battery life, and then if I'll check here, look at this graph. I mean, I updated here here you can see I updated my device here, and after updating I'm using it, and my battery just dipped so quickly. And I'm using my device for 60 minutes and it's at 60% right now, so 40% drop in an hour, which is actually kind of a good thing, because earlier when I was using my iPhone 7 on the beta 7, I was 60% of battery in 1 hour of usage. So the battery drain issue is not really gone. I was getting like 60% of battery dip after installing this update. I was at 40% after an hour of usage, and remember, I just updated it, so a lot of things go in the background of iPhones. So we can say that iPhone 7 battery life is a bit better on this particular beta. Now let's give scores to the iPhone 7. Scores in terms of performance, I would give score approximately 8.9 out of 10. And then talking about the stability, I would give it a 9.8 out of 10, because this is as stable as it can be. I mean, this just feels like an RC, and plus there is an A in the end, Then talking about the battery life, I would give, in terms of battery life, I would give this device a 6 out of 10. Still, I mean, that iPhone 7 is still not the best in terms of battery life. We all know that. And it also depends on if your iPhone 7 battery health is down or not, because my device, if I'll go here, mine is at 100%. That plays a major factor too. So let me know down in comments below, are you updating your iPhone 7 to this firmware or not? And obviously my final verdict is that you can go ahead and install this update on your device if you are already on betas. But if you are not, just stay away from betas. Betas are not the best in terms of stability and everything. Betas are not the best in terms of stability for your primary device. If this is your primary device, just do not go for the betas. But if you are already using your iPhone 7 on betas, or if it is your secondary device, go ahead and install it on your device. This is a really great software release, and there is new security features. We can't really see it, but it is there. So that's it for today's video. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.